If you make less than $80,000, please watch this. A message to those who deserve more. If you're making less than $80,000 a year, this video is for you. Not because I want to shame you, far from it. This is about real talk. This is for the person who's working long hours, giving their all, doing everything right, and still failing or falling short financially. I've been there. For years, I was working a $15 an hour job trying to make ends meet for my family of 5, soon to be 6. I worked remotely, which might sound nice, but it was chaos. I was juggling Zoom meetings, diaper changes, and daily stress. I was barely keeping it together. Every month was a balancing act between rent, bills, and groceries. I was exhausted, anxious, and unsure how much longer I could do it. But then something changed. In just a few weeks, I went from a $15 an hour job to landing a job paying over $80,000 a year. This isn't clickbait. It's not a gimmick. It's real strategy that worked for me. And it could work for you too. We've all had it. We've all heard it. Just work hard and good things will happen. That's what I believe too. I was dependable. I went above and beyond. I gave my job everything. But the truth, no matter how hard I worked, the ceiling never moved. At $15 an hour, even overtime didn't make a real difference. The bills kept coming. One expected expense could wipe us out. You know what I mean. I started to realize it. It wasn't me. It was the system I was in. And there are millions of people who are overworked and underpaid, probably you. Not because they're lazy, but because they're playing a game that's rigged against them. I needed more than a motivation. I needed a different map. The longer I stayed in that same situation, the more I was losing. And not just in income, but in time. Time with my kids, time to build savings, time to create options for the future. If nothing changed 5 years down the line, I'd still be in the same spot, only more tired and further behind. That was a real risk, not falling behind, but staying exactly where I was. That's when I found Course Careers, and now they made it even easier to figure out if it's the right move for you. They have something called Quora, an AI career counselor you can chat with to discover which career best fits your skills, personality, and goals. Once you know your direction, every Course Career program starts with a free introduction course that shows you what the job is really like and what you can earn and how you can even get hired fast, even without a degree or prior experience. The proof is everywhere. Their YouTube channel and Trustpilot reviews are packed with real success stories. One of my favorites is about a mom who completed the program while caring for her newborn. She finished and landed a tech sales role and completely changed her family's financial future. For me, the tech sales course became my roadmap, affordable, flexible, and laser focused on getting me hired quickly. What made Course Careers different from everything else I'd looked into was their results-driven approach. This wasn't theoretical education. These were the exact strategies, templates, and systems that companies were using to hire right now. The program included battle-tested cold email scripts with documented open rates, LinkedIn outreach frameworks that hiring managers were actually responded to, and interview preparation that positioned career changers as ideal candidates. Their job placement network was extraordinary. They maintain active partnerships with over 800 companies specifically seeking Course Career graduates. They don't just teach skills and hope for the best. They create direct pathways to recruiters who understand the value of their training and are actively hiring people making career transitions. The success metrics were compelling. 91% of students secured positions within 90 days of the program completion, with an average salary increase of 84%. For someone trapped at a $15 per hour job, those numbers represented complete financial transformation, not just a career change. The community support was invaluable. I connected with other parents and career changers navigating the same job, the same journey. We became accountability partners, sharing job opportunities, practicing interviews together, and celebrating each other's victories. That network became one of my most valuable professional assets. What sealed my decision was their comprehensive guarantee. If I didn't land a job within 180 days of completing the program, they'd refund me the entire investment. That shifted all the risk from me to them, giving me the confidence to commit fully without fear of wasting money my family couldn't afford to lose. I didn't quit my job. I didn't suddenly have extra hours in my day. I made it work in the margins. Early mornings, lunch breaks, and late nights after the kids were asleep. Let me break down exactly how I structured those 6 weeks, because the methodology made all the difference. Week 1 and 2 was the foundation phase. I committed to 45 minutes each morning starting at 5:30 a.m. before the household chaos began. Those sessions focused on sales fundamentals and industry terminology. I absorbed content about tech business models and customer acquisition strategies. The mobile platform was perfect. I could pause mid-lesson and resume exactly where I left off. Week 3 to 4 was skill development phase. I progressed to advanced prospecting techniques, CRM mastery, and objection handling networking frameworks. Lunch breaks became intensive practice sessions, role-playing cold calls, crafting email sequences, and researching target companies. The hands-on exercises were immediately applicable to real scenarios. Week 5 and 6, job search preparation phase. I focused on resume optimization, LinkedIn strategy, and interview preparation. The program provided templates for everything but taught me how to personalize them authentically. I began networking strategically, having informational interviews with hiring managers and building genuine professional relationships. Course Careers didn't just teach me about tech sales, it showed me how to position the skills I already had, optimize my resume and LinkedIn, and walk into interviews with confidence. The networking component was transformational. Instead of sending generic applications into the void, I was initiating the conversations about industry trends and asking thoughtful questions, offering value where possible. The response rate was remarkable. Hiring managers were engaging because my outreach demonstrated genuine interest and professional competence. The interview preparation was comprehensive. I mastered the STAR method for behavioral questions, learned to research companies thoroughly, and developed strategic questions that impressed hiring managers. I practiced until I could naturally weave my background into compelling narratives about why I was perfect for tech sales. Within weeks of finishing the course, I was getting recruiter calls and real interviews. Then came the offer, a tech sales role paying over $80,000 a year. The hiring manager later told me what differentiated me from other candidates wasn't just my knowledge, but my strategic approach. I conducted more thorough company research than anyone else they had interviewed. My questions demonstrated business acumen. My follow-up communications were professional and thoughtful. No connections, no degrees, just a proven plan, consistent effort, and the right tools. If I were starting from scratch today, here's exactly what I do. Recognize the ceiling. Your current role may not scale, no matter how hard you work. Accept that working harder in the same system won't create different results. Use Quora. Find your best fit career path based on your unique strengths. Don't guess about your next move. Get data-driven recommendations tailored to your situation. Take the free intro course. Understand the job, the pay, and the hiring process. Get a realistic preview of what success looks like and what it takes to achieve it. Commit to the program. Even 30 to 60 minutes a day will add up fast. Consistency beats intensity. Treat this like a part-time job that's investing in your future. Leverage your existing skills, communication, customer service, and problem-solving skills, and present them the right way. You're not starting from zero. You're repositioning what you already have. Start networking early. Visibility brings opportunity. Begin building relationships before you need them. People hire people they know and trust. The key insight is that you don't need to become a completely different person. You need to learn how to position your existing strengths in a market that values them appropriately. Tech sales rewards communication skills, problem-solving skills, and persistence, qualities you likely already possess. Most importantly, track your progress meticulously. The program shows you exactly where you are in the journey, which maintains motivation when progress feels slow. Celebrate small victories, your first LinkedIn response, your first phone screen, your first interview invitation. If your current income isn't cutting it, you have two choices. You can keep grinding in the same system, hoping something changes, or you can change it yourself. I chose to take a shot on myself. Course Careers gave me the clarity, skills, and confidence to break into a high-paying field. The hardest part isn't the learning or the job search. It's making the decision to invest in yourself when you're already financially stretched. It's choosing to bet on your potential when you're barely managing your current reality. But here's what I discovered. Staying where you are is also a risk. It's the risk of having this exact conversation with yourself a year from now, except with one more year of missed opportunities and financial stress accumulated behind you. The $500 I invested in myself was the smartest financial decision I've ever made. It wasn't just about the immediate salary increase. It was about fundamentally changing the trajectory of my family's future. You can start the same way I did. Try Quora for free. Take the intro course and see if it's the right fit. I've linked the program in the description. If you're serious about changing your situation, that could be your first step, because your income doesn't have to be a limit. It can be your launch pad. You have more potential than you realize. You just need the right strategy to unlock it and the courage to take the first step toward something better.